Hello, everybody. My name is Samuel Saavedra. Today is Friday, March 4th, 2022, and I am recording this video from a small town near Atlanta, Georgia, in the United States. Today, I am launching a research effort I call the Monoceros Institute. Through the efforts of this institute and all who support it, I intend to make a difference and help people everywhere solve problems that impact the human condition. As examples, the blind need to see, the deaf need to hear, and the crippled need to walk. Why can we do so much as a species, yet not solve problems affecting the human condition? Money. People want to make money. We do not focus on fixing basic human problems because it is not profitable. That is the main reason. I believe the technology exists today to restore all of our senses, to help us walk again, and to help regain missing limbs. The bionic eye can be built, organs can be regrown, and we can develop a neural interface, an interface directly to the brain that could improve the lives of people everywhere. Why have we not done these things yet? Because because we are not united. We do not share knowledge. Corporations, universities, research foundations, and secret government labs are all working on these problems. However, they do not share information. They operate in silos. So the world needs a research team that will share, a group of people more focused on helping others than on making money or getting papers published. The Monoceros Institute can be that team, and you can be a part of it. Join me and let us tackle these problems in stages. Let us commit to sharing knowledge and learnings with the world every step of the way. Here is my plan. First, let us build a community and the infrastructure to communicate, share knowledge, and make things happen. Second, let us develop a solution framework for the problems we want to solve, a knowledge skeleton or lattice upon which to map key pieces of knowledge. Third, let us start collecting all the research we can find and mapping it onto this solution framework. Imagine a geodesic sphere being built panel by panel, and you can envision what I have in mind. Fourth, as we do cataloging and mapping of knowledge items onto this framework, let us identify solution holes or gaps that seem to exist in the research. This research may actually be in progress somewhere in secret, but we have no way of knowing that, so we will assume the research needs to be done. Fifth, we will try to fill those holes in research by doing the research ourselves. We will start by paying research laboratories to do what must be done. Eventually, we will have our own research facilities worldwide and fulfill the ambitions I have for the Monoceros Research Institute. Finally, as we make major breakthroughs, we will publish our findings for the world to see. Along the way, we will figure out how to make the money needed to pay for all of this. Perhaps we will share our custom software ecosystem or our application stack for a fee. Perhaps we will be able to offer access to our digital reference models of the human eye or the brain or nervous system, again for a fee. As our expertise in developing digital twins to biological systems increases, many special interest groups will seek access, and we will provide access at a price. Maybe one aspect of this initiative should function as a distributed autonomous organization, a DAO. Maybe we should launch our own crypto coinage. I do not know, but somebody does. So we will figure it out. Of that I have no doubt. The Persian philosopher Rumi once said something like, as you start to walk upon the way is revealed. I believe that completely. We just need to come together and start. So if you believe in these ideas and you want to help others, I invite you to contribute. I invite you to join me. Join the Monoceros Institute and make a difference. I can give you purpose, a tribe, and a lifetime of work to do. Together, we can do magic. We can do what the experts say cannot be done. As the founder, I will do my part to start building this community and the infrastructure that we will need to succeed. I have been inspired by open source efforts such as the Linux Foundation and other self-organizing and volunteer-driven organizations. I will do my best to share videos and content every week. I hope you will join me in this journey. My contact information is in the links below, and I welcome any correspondence you might have. So that's it. Join the Monoceros Institute today, find your tribe, and make a difference. Thank you.